Hello, friends. Today's topic is environmental awareness and attitude science through formal education. Environment means the surroundings or conditions in which a person or animal live. And awareness means making people aware about the environmental issues. Education for environmental awareness means providing scope for the understanding of the environmental ecosystem and making people aware of its associated problems. Therefore, specialists advise that education for environment awareness needs to be imparted to the learner at all levels of education. How to develop environmental awareness? Some of the ways for developing environmental awareness are identifying and analyzing the needs and problems of personal and social life, covering family, caste, community, religion, and civic and economic conditions of national life as a whole. Secondly, motivating people to appreciate nature and its usefulness. Motivating programs require activities like promoting environment to maintain hygienic conditions of living, using natural resources keeping in mind the sustainable benefit of community, society and nation. Making easy access to interact with the government, taking part in mutual activities with the government, NGOs and with different social agencies, and also by organizing certain community activities or environmental issues. Cultivating the aesthetics sense in mind of the people both individually and socially to appreciate nature. Now we will discuss the role of education in developing environmental awareness. Various seminars and conferences were organized to discuss the problem related to environmental issues. One such conference was held at Washington 2003 where the ministers and rulers of education from more than 30 countries were joined, and the conferences was named as Art Observation, arranged by U.S. Department State Council and Energy. The role of education in developing environmental awareness may be summarized as follows. The role of education in developing environmental awareness may be summarized as follows. To bring about changes in the concept of values, behavior, and lifestyle to attain sustainable development. To spread knowledge on environmental issues widely, to teach knowledge and skill necessary to produce sustainable production and consumption pattern, to innovate technique to improve the management of natural resources, agriculture, energy and industrial procedure production, to motivate people to support changes towards sustainable development emerging from other sectors. Now, the different strategies to be adopted to create environmental awareness among children. To make children aware of environment, the following strategies can be used. Theoretical knowledge. Lecture, strategies and book can provide knowledge on the interdependent or natural objective, the ecosystem of environmental objective, man-made environment and information basis. Projective technique. Different projects related to following topics can be shown to the children through slides. Project related to natural ecosystem ecosystem, project related to food chain, project related to biodiversity and community ecosystem diversity. Strategies of active participation, using environmental calendar for the activities of children and for making children aware of environment. It provides chance to children to take part in events organized in World Environment Day, planning and planting trees, project on environmental issues, etc. Strategy of direct observation. Children can visit various national park sanctuary for direct observation. Behavioral and action oriented activities. The teacher can engage children to contribute towards ecological security, biodiversity conservation, such as tree plantation, preventing destruction of trees, donating uses books and magazines to the school, joining some NGOs, reducing the amount of water, etc. And the last is the strategy of using mass media. Initiating reading habits by providing newspapers, sanctuary, magazine, etc., where children can get more information about our current environmental issues. Now, the role of formal education to arouse positive attitude towards the nature. Attitude means, attitude as we know, attitude means thinking or feeling about something. Formal education need to provide knowledge on the following manner. Number one, interrelationship various factors that produce environmental problems and effect of these problems on human being and other living organism on earth and need to discuss. Environmental facts need to be studied on interdisciplinary basis, considering traditional science and other modern branches of knowledge. Next, emphasis should be given on problem related to everyday life of human being. To teacher must be endowed or must have knowledge of readily available documents and information so that learner can proceed effectively with their own speed. Objective of preventing damage and destruction nature ought to be bear in mind. So for today, we will complete here. We will end it here. Thank you.